In 2019, global end users' demand for product quality is getting higher. LTE technology is growing so fast. There are a lot of LTE devices in the world. The interference from LTE will affect the Wi-Fi and the cable modem devices. Such many wireless devices operating in the air may lower product performance. Today's topic is how LTE signals interfere Wi-Fi signals. The operating frequency of unlicensed 2.4 GHz is 2400 MHz to 2483.5 MHz. The main interference on 2.4 GHz band is LTE band 40 and band 41. Both band 40 and 41 are very close to 2.4 GHz band. Packet error rate is a common Wi-Fi performance criterion. The minimum performance criterion should be a PER of less than or equal to 10%. For example, Wi-Fi with data rate 1 megabits per second, PER is 10% when the received power is minus 95 dBm. P minima is the minimum wanted signal level in which the minimum performance criteria are met. Sporton's measurement of LTE interference on Wi-Fi. This is the test setup used for LTE interference to Wi-Fi performance. The Wi-Fi performance during interference period. There is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal on the left. The interface of testing PER is on the right. You can see the Wi-Fi waveform is very stable on the normal transmission. The waveform was interfered seriously when LTE interference showed up. PER kept climbing up. The relationship between PR and the companion device signal level in Wi-Fi. The y-axis is the PER, x-axis is the companion device signal level. Here's the variety of PER, with adjacent channel minus 30 dBm LTE interference to Wi-Fi device. You can see the PER starts climbing up fast after the companion device level falls on around minus 50 dBm, and the PER was close to 100% when companion device level is lower than minus 70 dBm. So, how is the anti-interference ability of Wi-Fi devices? We used 10% of PER as a criterion. The x-axis still stands for the companion device signal level. Turn the y-axis into interference level to measure the anti-interference ability of Wi-Fi devices. When the companion device level was higher than minus 50 dBm, the LTE signal from adjacent channel didn't affect Wi-Fi devices. The anti-interference ability went lower after the companion device signal level was lower than minus 50 dBm. In the P minima of minus 96 dBm, the device anti-interference ability is only minus 75 dBm. Are you worried about all kinds of interference to affect your device? Sporton have built RS chamber which can simulate LTE interference in the real world. RS chamber can simulate the LTE interference to check your performance. Sporton debug kit is able to generate LTE signals, both TDD and the FDD waveform, 5 MHz and 10 MHz of bandwidth. If you have Sporton debug kit, you can test the performance of your device in your office.